Meaning of hippocampus.
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 Hippocampus. The hippocampus is a small, seahorse-shaped region of the brain located in the medial temporal lobe. It plays an important role in the formation of new memories and in spatial navigation. Damage to the hippocampus can result in a variety of memory impairments, including anterograde amnesia, in which a person is unable to form new long-term memories. The hippocampus also plays a role in emotional regulation and has been implicated in several psychiatric disorders, including depression and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Overall, the hippocampus is a crucial part of the brain involved in memory processing and emotional regulation.